So the big picture for this lesson is identifying function graphs. So it's identifying a graph that answers questions regarding a certain situation, and also it's interpreting a graph. So we're going to focus on interpreting a graph in this video. So here's a graph and it's distance versus time. And so what types of questions could be answered here? So my first question is, if this is distance versus time, where is the person traveling the fastest? Let's say they're walking to school or some such thing. You want to look for the greatest rate of change, and that's between 0 and 5. So it would be this part of the graph, walking the fastest. How about where in the graph is the person walking along a flat, level surface? Well, actually, you can't tell from the graph. This is distance versus time, not height. So you may look at this part here that looks flat, but this means actually no distance is being covered during that amount of time. So this is actually a resting time. So it's not walking along a flat surface, it is rest. There is no movement. And walking more slowly, that would be this interval here because the rate of change is not as high. So you might say something like, well, yeah, this person was walking at a good pace, then stopped to rest, and then walked slower, and continuing in the original direction of travel. So basically you're going to be interpreting graphs for different rate of changes, maximum, minimum, that type of thing. And that's the big picture.